Hello everybody, how are you? I am Naresh and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is products accepted manufacturing cost for the trash can for the month when 300 cans are produced. Summarized below: direct material 2.40 per unit, direct labor 1.60 per unit, variable overhead 6,000 over 2 per unit, factory depreciation 10 5,000, supervisory salaries 4,800, other fixed factory costs 1,500. What is the flexible budget amount for a month when 3,200 units are produced? Option A 36,000, 37,120, 34800, 35600. The correct answer of the question is option B 37120 is the flexible budget amount for month when 320 are units are produced. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section if you have any question to ask there and ask section. If on the right side of the website, fill the form and I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.